Welcome. In front of me I have a Realme 11 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, doing so will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't remember. Now, before we actually get started, I'm going to mention one important thing. So if you're logged in into your Google account and you have a screen lock, and when you do this process, that will result in your device becoming FRP locked. And just to explain what FRP lock is, it's basically similar to iCloud lock. So when factory reset is finished and you're going through the setup, on one of the pages it will tell you that you need to connect to Wi-Fi, and then once you do, because you cannot skip that at that point, it will then tell you to verify one of the two methods that will give you. So one would be either previously used screen lock or the Google account, and I'm assuming you don't know either of those. This will mean that the device will basically be unusable till you are able to verify it. Now, that being said, this here will just show you a reset, but I will be mentioning right now that I do have a method of bypassing this lock for anyone that is interested and still wants to go through with this kind of process, but that will be in a separate video. So if you're interested in that one, just search for that. Shameless plug, but anyway. Now, starting off, we're going to turn off our device, so you need to hold the power button and volume up and swipe down. Now, I'll mention I am plugged in to charging, but that is strictly for just charging purposes. It's plugged into a little charging brick, and that's it. And that is because the device right now has like 14% battery, which you should be able to see in a second. Or not. Anyway, so once your phone is off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. And after a moment, you should see a Realme logo like this one, and then you'll see a pop-up right here at the bottom, this tiny little text saying recovery mode. When you see this, you can let go of your two keys and simply wait for the mode to actually boot up, as it just did. I'm going to select my language, English, and then I'm going to select format data. It generates a random code right here. For me right now it's 4914, so I just need to type it in here. So 4914. Once you write it in correctly, it automatically pops up this window right here. Format data, all user data will be reset, and we're just going to select format. But before I do so, I'm just going to mention, as you can see, I do have only 15% battery, and that's the only reason why I have it plugged in. So format. Now right here, this will take a very short time. As you can see, it's already finished, so we can select OK, and this will automatically reboot the device and continue factory resetting it in the background. Now, because of that, the device will be booting up for a little bit longer than you might be used to. That's completely normal. Once it's finished, we will then be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, like I mentioned before, if your device becomes FRP locked, I'll be showing in the next video on how we can bypass this. So, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.